So next I'm writing analyzing equilibrium from vector resolution method. Okay, for which I will take the last example first. Chale dost, let us see. Fine. Now everyone see what I'm going to do. I'm going to do a very simple analysis. It's not tough at all. Very, very simple analysis. So what is that? You check. This is T1, right? I have taken, if this is the horizontal line, everyone please check carefully. So if this is the horizontal line, then this angle is also coming to be 60 degree. So for this T1, what is the horizontal component of force? It is going to be T1 cos 60 degree. All right, no? Clear? What is going to be the vertical component of the force? Tell me. It is going to be T1 sin 60 degree. Okay, right? Fine, no? Yeah. What about this one? See, this angle will become 20 degree. Is that okay? So if I take this 20 as the base angle, then this component is, this is T2, right? So this component is going to be T2 cos 20 degree. What about the sine component? Sine component will become T2 sine 20 degree. All right. Already T3 is present in that direction. Correct. So now think about this point X, not X. This is point A, let us see. So for equilibrium, at A, condition is what? Condition is very simple. Summation of fx has to be 0. Right? If summation of fx is equal to 0, then what can I write from here? We can write T1 cos 60 degree is equal to T2 cos 20 degree. Is that equation fine for all of you? Just tell me that. Is that okay? Right? No? Yeah. Sutiksha, tell me.
Sir, T3 can also have X component, no, sir?
No, T3 is vertical now, beta.
Oh, but and it is making 70 degrees.
No. This is T2. T2 is making 70 degree.
That is vertical, sir. Okay, sir.
This one is vertical. This is along y-axis.
Okay, sir. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah.
Got it.
So, if I take summation of Fy is equal to 0, you check only one upward force is there, T1 sin 60 degree. There are two downward forces, T2 sin 20 and T3. So, summation of Fy is equal to 0, we will write T1 sin 60 degree is equal to T3 plus T2 sin of 20 degree. So I will hold on for a couple of minutes over here. Any doubt? Feel free to go for it. Mr. Rahul Rao, Chepandi.
Sir, due to some problem, I didn't listen the diagram. So once explain that.
Now the diagram is there in front of your screen. So there X and Y component are being resoluted.
Yes, sir.
Right? So what I'm doing, summation of Fx is equal to 0 means net force leftward is equal to net force rightward. Okay? Summation of Fy is equal to 0 means net force upward is equal to net force downward. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, understood?
Understood, sir.
Yes, fine. So don't worry, we will have many more examples. 2 more examples, I will go for it.
Okay, sir.
Chandra, tell me.
Sir, wait for a few minutes. I'll copy down once again.
Yes, copy, no issue. Dinesh? Pushkar?
हेलो।
बोल।
हाँ सर, कुछ पता चल रहा कॉलेज कब स्टार्ट होने वाला है?
कुछ नहीं पता चला।
ठीक है सर।
इतना ही पता चला कि रशिया में पुतिन की बेटी को वैक्सीन मिला, बस। इससे ज्यादा और कुछ नहीं पता चला भाई। अब हमारे नरेंद्र मोदी साहब का तो मतलब बच्चे भी नहीं है जो उसको मिल जाएगा। आ जाएगा यार। आई थिंक दिस मिजरी विल एंड बाय सितंबर. Jokes apart, this misery will end by September. I think you are going to get a very positive announcement right on 15th August.
Okay, hope for the positive sir.
हाँ, और क्या कर सकते हैं भाई, इंडिया जैसे कंट्री में लोग होप में ही जीते हैं बस। Here nothing works, only hope works. चलो चंद्रा।
कुछ नहीं सर, कुछ नहीं।
तो खाली खाली हाथ क्यों उठाया भाई? नीचे कर। Sutik sir?
Sir, one scroll up, sir.
Okay, just wait. Let me extend this diagram a little.
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Yeah, okay, fine. Okay.
Sir, for an object, tension should act away from the body now, sir.
Yes, obviously.
So then T3 is acting downward, why sir? It should act upward now, sir. The body is...
See, which point I have taken to be reference here?
From the reference point outward, sir.
Yes.
Always?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
If I think about this body, Sutik, you tell me. See, this is mg acting downwards now. So for
Yes,
this body, tension is upward.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Okay, sir.
Right. Now solve this one quickly. Resolve this one. This is our example 1 here. This is example 2. Resolve it into the force and write down the equation. So take this as T1, this is T2, and this is T3. Then this is 45 degree, this is 60 degree. So then have a clear cut diagram here. This is T1, this is T3, this base angle is to be 60 degree, and this is the direction of T2 where this base angle is going to be 45 degree. Okay, write it here. It is 45 degree. So now if I think about the component, fatafat resolve it. So this is going to be T2 cos 45 degree. This is going to be T3 cos 60 degree. What about these two components? This is T2 sin 45 degree and how many? Right. This is T3 sin 60 degree. So if I do summation of fx is equal to 0, we will get T2 cos 45 degree is equal to T3 cos 60 degree. And if we do summation of Fi is equal to 0, we will get T2 sin 45 degree plus T3 sin 60 degree is equal to T1. So one more equation we can write also if we want actually, that is T1 is equal to mg. Downward is mg, no? Right. So for this downward weight, tension here it will be upward T1. Yeah. So this is all correct now? Full clarity is there? Okay. Chalo. No more explanation is needed on this.